Welcome to technology platform. So today we are going to see reduce function. So the reduce function is like a kind of recursion. Like let me see in detail. Let's see now. Let me open idle. So I already used some code for your understanding. Now let's see this. I want to iterate the number. I want to add it 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4. I want to do it. So for that, I have to write like this. See, number equal to 0, normal, without reduce. I just used 4 and then I'm initializing the variable 0 and then I have to use it like for loop. I'm just looping this numbers here and then total equal to total plus I. So now if you want to print total, this will give the results 10. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6, 6 plus 4 10. So I have to write it like this to produce the result, but instead of that I want to do it by using reduce function. Let's see this. So the reduce is also like the syntax: reduce, function name, arguments, and iteration number, something like that. I will tell you in detail. So now let's see. This is the function name, and this is the arguments. The numbers I am passing here 1 2 3 4. Here I have to add it like 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, like that. So I declare two variable str1 str2, and this is str1 plus str2, like that. I'm going to add it. Now let's see this. Okay, why it is providing? Oh, okay. String is it is not defined like that. Oh, sorry. So the reduce is not defined. So the reduce is like we are not having by default. So for that we have to use it this import statement, and then you have to use it this reduce. Now you got it 10. So we just trying to use it this kind of statement. Instead of that, we can directly use reduce statement to iterate. So that means how it is iterating. It's I already told you, like it's a recursion. So normally if you give like this, whatever you are passing, this will take. For example, numbers, I will consider like 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, like that. So if you give like this, two values only, but see this 36, it is producing. So 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, like that it will go till the end of the value. So now I want to add it. I already told you like this iteration number, this is the starting number. So you should not add it like 1 plus 2. Instead of that, you should add like whatever I am giving here, just take it that number to add it. Let's see, reduce it, and then I'll say like this should start like 1000. The starting number is 1000. Then 1000 plus 1, 1000 plus 2, like that it should add. Now see this. See, 1036. We are getting like this. So if you want to produce it here, we have to do it so many things, right? So instead of that, we can directly use some built-in functions to achieve this. So now one more thing is also we have this, that is called operator. So now if you see this one, right, I'm going to use this. I have to use it like this: import function tools, all whatever the input function I am going to download. Import operator, I just downloaded. Now see this, I just written something adding the number, something like that. So instead of that, I don't want to use it. By using this, I'm going to use like operator dot add here. If you give like this, you no need to give this kind of expressions. Automatically this will add 36. Actually multiplies also it should have. Let's see this. Dot add concatenate count of absolute get item I model inverse. Let's see multiply. I think this one, let's see this. So this is multiplying and getting this value, but this is very large, so let me take it like 1 plus 2 and comma 3. So 1 plus 2 to 6, it should return 6. You have to write it here. Okay, so the numbers, it is not initializing till now. Numbers 1. Now I am going to write it here. Numbers 1. So it is returning 6. So not only this one, if you want to concatenate, let's see. I already told you, right? If you use this operator dot, then it will give you the list. So here I selected concat. So joining two strings. So that's what I just using here. Joining two things and then enter it. If you see this, by using this reduce and we are using this operator and we are getting this value. So this is what we are using, kind of reduce and operator. I hope you understand. Let's see you in the next class. Bye.